For today's video, magluluto tayo ng fried chicken wings using tamarind soup base or sinigang mix. Isisila natin yung chicken ng fish sauce at syempre yung ating sinigang mix, yung tamarind soup base powder with garlic powder. Yan. At yung inyong favorite na seasoning granules, salt and pepper. Haluin na natin hanggang ma-coat yung ating meat. At pag na-coat na siya, ayan, ready na siya. Ilagay natin sa isang container na may lid at ilagay sa fridge for 4 hours or overnight. After overnight, magawa tayo ng mixture natin ng flour, all-purpose flour, rice flour. Sinigang mix. For extra flavor, salt, ground pepper. Just try to mix everything up. Yan ito yung ating magiging tawag dyan, parang butter ng ating chicken. Then syempre yung ating chicken, as usual, pitrouch lang natin sa ating flour mixture and then magpa-fry na tayo. Tap lang natin para matanggal yung excess flour. Magpainit na tayo ng oil. So, agad na natin ilaglag yung ating chicken. Ayan, i-fry natin ng naging golden brown. Fry natin. Sarap ah. May konting asim. Yung lasa ng sinigang mix. Ano, musok pa oh. Wow. Pag may chicken wings restaurant kaya, you can add this as another flavor. Medyo may konti siyang asim na iniiwan. Kahit walang sausawan, okay na siya. At mas masarap pag may kanin. Try na!